Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will learn how you can send emails that you are receiving in the inbox of your Gmail account to your team in Mattermost application automatically. So the use case here is that you are receiving queries from your customers or feedbacks or user stories via email, and you want to inform about all these things to your team in Mattermost application. So with the help of this automation that we are about to set up, you don't have to manually churn out the details of the emails, and then you don't have to manually compile a message for your team and send it on Mattermost. Here, with the help of this automation, the emails will be filtered out according to the subject and will be delivered as a message in the Mattermost application to your team automatically. So it will surely help you in saving your time and energy, and it will improve your efficiency and productivity. So now let me show you how this is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As in, when you are going to receive an email, so according to the subject, it is going to be filtered out and will be delivered as a new message in a channel you have in Mattermost automatically. Okay, so we are using Pabbly Connect to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for that, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, and after that you can log in back and come here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this, and here you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any beautiful name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name of this workflow as send emails from Gmail inbox as a message in Mattermost. Okay, now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay, and on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this whole automation is going to work on these two things. So trigger is the happening of any event, so it is saying when this happens, and action is the response to the trigger, so it is saying do this. Okay, so as in our use case, the trigger would be incoming any email coming to your Gmail's inbox, and the action to that trigger would be to send that email as a message in Mattermost. Okay, so first of all you have to set up your trigger here. So click on this trigger section, and from this choose app field you have to choose your trigger application. So here I'm going to use a feature or a module by Pabbly which is called as email parser. So with the help of email parser, you can fetch the details of any email that you're receiving in your Gmail to here in Pabbly Connect. Let me show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to select email parser here. Okay, and it will provide you this email address. So we are going to forward our emails to this email address that we have that is given by Pabbly Connect to us here. Okay, so first of all you just have to copy this email. Okay, then you have to go to your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account, guys, and here you have to click on settings, click on see all settings. Okay, and here you will find this forwarding and pop IMAP option. Click on forwarding and pop IMAP. Okay, and here on this page you will find this forward a copy of incoming email option. Okay, and here you can see I have already a forwarding set up already, so I'm going to remove this forwarding address. Okay, so you will find this button here, add a forwarding address. So click on add a forwarding address button, and you have to paste the forwarding address that you got from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, then click on next, and from here you have to click on proceed, and a code will be delivered to Pabbly Connect, and you will get a confirmation or a verification code here in the response received section. You can see it is showing here in Pabbly Connect waiting for the waiting for email parser response. Okay, so I'm going to click here on this verify where it is. Okay, so I need to enter this address again here like this. I'm clicking on next, and from here I'm going to click on proceed, and you can see a confirmation code has been sent to this address. Okay, so let me show you how you can see the code. I'm clicking on OK here, and here you have to put the confirmation code. Okay, so you can see in Pabbly Connect we have received this response, and in this response received section, scroll down, and in the body text level you need to find the body text level. This is the body text label, and here you will find the code like this. Okay, so this is the confirmation code. So you have to copy this code from here like this. Copy this code. Okay, go back to your account, and in this confirmation code field just paste the code, then click on verify. Okay, so you can see it is verified now, and now you have to click here on this forward a copy of incoming mails to this address. Check this, click here on this button, and if you want to keep the copy of this email in the inbox, you can keep a copy in the inbox also. Rest the copy of this email will be forwarded here in Pabbly Connect in this response like this. Let me show you. So now you have done this. Now you have to scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, so the changes are saved here, and you can see here it is written you are forwarding your emails to this address. Okay, now here come back to your workflow, and I'm going to click here on this recapture email parser response, and I'm going to send a mail from another email ID to this email address by which we are forwarding the emails. So just to show you that how the emails are forwarded and will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm clicking on recapture email parser response. I'm clicking on yes here. Okay, now I'm going to another email account. So I am in my another email account. The account name is Michael Karas here. This is Michael Karas's account, and here is the account of Miss Ashirai, in which I have attached this forwarder. Okay, so whoever is sending the emails to this person, the emails will be forwarded to Pabbly Connect here. Okay, so I'm going back to my another account, and here I'm composing an email, and here I'm putting the address as Ashirai. Okay, and here I'm putting the subject as Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here I'm going to type an email. So guys, I have typed the email like this. You can see, hello team, we get to know this from a regular user of our software that we have some sort of issues, lagging issues in the email parser module. Okay, so this is a kind of email I have received. I'm a demo email I can receive from any of my customer. Okay, so I'm going to click on send here, and you can see the message, the email is sent. Okay, and here I'm going to receive the copy of email here. And here you can see we have received a new email from Michael Karas with the subject as Pabbly Connect. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect applications here in our workflow if we got this same email forwarded or not. Okay, this same email. And in the you can see in this response received section, we have received this response. It is showing us the details as this. You can see that we have received an email from this address. This is the subject. Okay, and here are the all other details related to this email. Okay, all right, so here in the body text you can see we have the email that we have sent. This is the email. Okay, so we have received in the response section the email that we got in our Ashirai account, in which I have added the forwarder. Okay, now I want to send this email as a message to my team, informing them about any kind of issue. Okay, but I do not want to forward every email that I'm getting in my email Gmail application. I want to sort out some of the emails that I am receiving from my customers or clients related to any issues or queries, and I want to inform it to my team on Mattermost. Okay, but we are receiving many emails from many places, so for that I am going to apply a filter here. So I am choosing filter feature by Pabbly here in this actions tab. This is filter, and here you can see it is asking to select a label, select a filter type and put a value here. So guys, you can see in this response received section in the previous tab, we got the subject of the email also. So here we can see we have the subject is Pabbly Connect. So I am going to select this label here in the second filter step. Okay, so when you click here on the select label option, it will show you the previous step in the drop down. Click on it and you will find the subject label as this. So map the subject, okay, and make the filter type contains, select contains here, and here just put the value manually as Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here I am ensuring that as and when we receive a email with this subject Pabbly Connect, then only deliver that email as a message in Mattermost. Okay, so you can choose a few key subjects that you can receive from your customers or clients. So one subject can be Pabbly Connect, okay, or another subject can be any issue. So here I'm applying a or condition. You can see we have this or condition button. Click on it. Okay, now I am selecting the label as subject again from this trigger. Okay, I'm making the filter type contains, and here I'm putting the value which can be related. So the subject can be issue, okay, or let me apply another or condition. So here I'm going to select the subject from this first step and filter type contains, and when the subject contains something like integrations, okay. So according to you, you can put conditions here. You can put the filter conditions here on which condition you want to forward this email to your team. Okay. So I have applied 3 conditions here. So whenever I'm going to receive an email with the subject as Pabbly Connect or issue or integration, then only I'm going to forward this email to my Mattermost team. Okay. So here I'm going to click on save and send test request, and it will show you this kind of response. You can see the status is success and the condition is true. So if any of these conditions match true, so here we have applied 3 conditions. So if any of these conditions match true, this workflow will continue and it will deliver the email received as a message in Mattermost. Okay. So now to send the message on Mattermost, you have to connect your Mattermost here in another action step. So I'm clicking here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. And from here you have to search for Mattermost application. This is Mattermost. Select it. And in the action event, select this create a post option. Okay. Then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. And here it will ask for the token and the Mattermost URL to make the connection with Mattermost. Okay, so you can read the help text or instructions here. I'm going to show you how you can find this token. So this is my Mattermost applications dashboard, and here I have this Pabbly Connect channel. So here my team is working or communicating. Okay, and from here I'm going to click on this profile icon and I'm going to click on profile. And from this window I'm going to click on security. Okay, and here you can see it is here we have personal access tokens option. Click on personal access token, and here I'm going to click on create token. So here you have to give a description to this token. So I'm giving the description as from email parser. Okay, and I'm clicking on save. Okay, yes, create. And you can see we got this access token. So you just copy this token first, okay, and paste this token in this field. Okay, and now click on close. Okay, yes, I have copied the token. Click on yes. Okay, and close this window. And to find the Mattermost URL in the Mattermost dashboard that you have opened, you will find the Mattermost URL in this search bar. So you don't have to copy this whole address, just copy this address from HTTPS up to mattermost.com. Just copy this, okay, and paste this URL here like this. Okay, so you can see the example. You have to just copy from HTTPS to xyz.mattermost.com. So here I have copied this like this. Okay, now click on save and you will be connected with Mattermost. You can see we are connected now. Okay, now it is asking for the team in which you want to send the message. So we have this one team here called as main team. So I'm selecting main team. Okay. Select main team from here also. And now it is asking for the channel's name. So here I have the channel named as Pabbly Connect, in which I want to send the message. So select this channel from this drop down. This is Pabbly Connect. Okay. And here in the message, you have to map the message that you have received from email parser in the first tab. Okay. So here you can see we have received the email here in this first tab, and here we have these fields, these labels, and when you scroll down you will find this body text. So I'm going to map this body text here in this third tab in Mattermost. First of all, let me write it as we have received a new query, let's say, from, and here I'm going to map the email address also of the person from whom we have received the email. So from this email parsers tab, the first tab, I'm going to map the address of the person, this from address. Okay. And you can map the name of the customer as well. Name. Okay. Just map the name also. And after that, I'm going to map the body text. So here I'm going to put an enter and I'll write message received. And now I'm going to map the message that I have received in the body text. Okay. So here is the body text. Okay. I'm going to map it. Right. Now enter the ID of the root post. So you can leave this blank. The root post ID is not a compulsory thing. Enter the list of field IDs attached. So we do not have any field IDs right now. So you can leave this blank also. Okay. Now let's check our connection with Mattermost, if it is working properly or not. So I'm going to click on save and send test request and we will see what will happen. Okay. So I have clicked on save and send test request, and you can see we have received this type of response. Now let me show you in Mattermost if we receive a new message. And here you can see we have received a new message as this from Hardik Pradhan, which is the account owner. And you can see we have received a new query from Michael Karas, named Michael Karas. This is the message. Okay, and this is the same message that we have received as a mail here in this Ashirai account. Okay, so connection is working properly, and this is how it is going to happen in real time. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once, and you have to map the data only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to receive any email in your account with some specific keywords in the subject, so according to those words, the message will be delivered here in your Mattermost application to your team like this. Okay. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.